Welcome. In this video, we'll look at how you can install the Smart Screen Share app via the Software Center to enable you to share what's on your Windows laptop screen on your Smart IFP screen. To start, we'll click the Windows button at the bottom of your screen. If you don't have the Windows button, make sure you're on your laptop and not on a Chromebook. You won't be able to access the Software Center on any device besides your district-issued Windows laptop. Once you click the Windows button, begin typing the word software, and the BISD Software Center should appear here. Click on the Software Center to view the different programs available for installation. The program we want to install is called Smart Screen Share. So I can click on the program here. If I can't find it, I may have to search for it up here at the top. Next, I'll click Install. The program may take a moment or two to finish installing. If the installation fails, make sure you've installed all available updates and restarted your laptop. Once the program is successfully installed, you can close the Software Center and then open the program by either clicking the Windows button again and typing Smart Screen Share, or you may have an icon on your desktop. To connect to the board in your classroom, you'll need to press the Smart Screen Share button at the bottom of your board and then find the IP address assigned to your board. It'll be a series of 4 numbers starting with 10 point something. Type these numbers into the Smart Screen Share app and then press Connect. Note, your numbers will be different than what appears here on my screen. If you have multiple monitors, you can choose which screen you'd like to share, and then press Start Sharing. If the app asks if you'd like to enable touchback, press Accept so that you can interact with your computer from the Smart IFP screen. To stop sharing your screen, you can either press the Stop Sharing button or simply close the Smart Screen Share app. For additional help in using your Smart Screen Share app, please contact your digital learning specialist.